Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to contact the Upwork support team. If you've run into an issue with a project, payment, or your account, knowing how to reach their support team can save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Upwork.com. This takes you to the main Upwork homepage where you'll be able to access all support resources. Now, here's something important to understand about Upwork's current system. As of 2026, Upwork's interface doesn't offer direct chat by default anymore. What you're actually seeing first is what's called the help article layer. This is essentially a self-service system designed to help you find answers on your own before reaching out to a human agent. It's built to guide you through common issues using articles and FAQs. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down until you spot the Contact Us option and click on it. This will redirect you to the support page where Upwork provides different pathways for getting help. From there, click on Customer Support. This is where Upwork presents you with the main options for resolving your issue. You'll see several choices available to you, each designed for different types of inquiries or problems. Take a moment to review the list and select the option that best matches what you need help with. This step is important because choosing the right category helps route your request to the appropriate team. After making your selection, scroll down the page until you find the Contact Support button and click on it. This moves you closer to actually reaching a live representative. Finally, you'll see an option labeled Chat with Support. Click on that to open a direct chat window with a member of the Upwork support team. This is where you'll be able to explain your issue in detail and get real-time assistance. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated Upwork's support system and opened a chat with their team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.